Good morning everyone. So what is a limit? So kibali intro to limits na siya. So what is a limit? So what are some example of limits? So up to now you have used algebra and the geometry to solve problems where things are basically staying the same or changing at the same rate. So calculus is a branch of mathematics that deals with things that are changing. So, muna sa kuan. One of the most basic and fundamental ideas of calculus is limit. So, isa daw sa most basic fundamental nga kuan idea ang calculus is limit. So, limits allow us to look at what happens in a very very small region around the point. So, two of two of the major formal definition of the calculus depend on limit. So what is a limit? So definition of limit of a function. So suppose that function f times x, f quantity x is defined for all values of x near a, but not necessarily at a not if as x approaches a without actually attaining the value a. So f quantity x approaches the number l, then we say that l is the limit of f quantity x as x approaches a, and write limit approaches x to a f quantity x is equals l. So makita ninyo na diri no. So kining na f, so pasaka ra gyapon siya, pasaka. So no matter how approaches, so a f quantity x approaches to l. So mo na siyang example kibali now. Kini no matter how approaches kini kana. So mo siya no. So left and right hand limit. So limit, so kibali mo siya ang left and right hand kini. So kibali ni kini left and right hand. So kibalog dito magatubang og tubang kini ano siya. Then theorem, so theorem 6. So ano siya, a function f of x has a limit as x approaches c if and only if it has left hand and right hand limits there, and these one-sided limits are equal. So ano siya no. So limit approaches to x to c, f quantity x is equals l. So padulong siya limit. So copy lang gyapon ni siya katulo. Then mo ni siya, the limit exists for this function. So kining graph, kita man ning graph kini mao nang the limit exists for this function. So same kining the limit does not exist for this function. So kibali kini ay nag-exist, kini nga graph mao na siya nag-exist siya. So kini does not exist, so wala siya nag-exist nga graph, mao na siya. So that's all, thank you.